In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a business email with GoDaddy. It's an essential step for establishing a professional presence online. Whether you're starting a new business or just need a professional email address for your domain, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, we begin by heading over to GoDaddy's website. Once you're there, look for the top right corner where you'll see your name. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select My Products. This is where you'll find all the domains and services associated with your account. Next, navigate to My Account. Once in your account section, click on the Domain tab. This is where you'll manage all your domain settings. Here you should see a list of your domains. Click on the domain you've already created that you'd like to associate with your business email. Now, let's proceed by clicking on the Products tab. Scroll down until you find the option to Get Started with Email. Click on it. You'll be presented with different email plans. Choose the one that best suits your business needs by clicking Add to Cart. With your selection added to the cart, proceed by clicking Complete Purchase. You may be offered subscription options like 1 month or more extended periods. Choose the one you're comfortable with based on your needs. Once you have completed your purchase, click on Activate Your Product. This will guide you to set up your email with the purchased domain. Choose the domain you want the email to be associated with and click Continue. Now, fill out all the necessary information it asks for and create a password for your email account. After setting the password, you'll want to send the account information to the relevant parties who will use it. If you encounter any issues along the way, look for a prompt that says, "Help me fix" for guidance on common problems. In some cases, you might need to navigate to your domain's DNS settings. Click on Domains and choose DNS. Here, you can add new record if needed. Paste any copied information and click Save. Continue by clicking Continue and Verify to ensure your settings are correct. Once everything is verified, click on I'm done, and your business email setup should be complete. Now, let's log into your new email. Click Sign In, and when prompted, complete the information. You can use your new business email through Microsoft 365. Look for the email icon at the upper right corner to verify everything is set up correctly. To access your email directly, click on the 9 dots in the upper left corner and select Outlook. Here, you will find your new business email ready to use. Congratulations, you now have a professional business email set up with GoDaddy.